Hey Bristol Bears! Today we are going to be talking about question and answer phrases. A phrase is a musical sentence, and you can tell a phrase has ended usually because there is some sort of break. So with that, we have two types of phrases, a question phrase and an answer phrase. I'm going to go to my Songmaker where I have 4 phrases, 2 question phrases and 2 answer phrases. Let's listen to my song first. So I have 4 phrases. I have a phrase here in the white. I have a phrase here in the gray, another phrase in the white, and another phrase in the gray. So the question is, which phrases are question phrases and which phrases are answer phrases? It's pretty easy to tell the difference. Question phrases sound unfinished, and answer phrases sound finished. If you walked away from them, you could walk away and feel like it was done. But if you ended on a question phrase, it would bother you because it wouldn't feel like the song was done. So if I start on my first phrase, does that feel finished? Not really, because we start on our red, that's our do, that's our home note, but we don't end there. Doesn't sound finished. This first phrase is a question phrase, but our gray, this phrase ends on the red, it ends on our home note, it ends on our do, so it is finished. I could stop there and walk away and feel fine about it. So the two gray phrases are our answer phrases because they sound finished, and the two white phrases are our question phrases because they do not sound finished. So a question phrase sounds unfinished and an answer phrase sounds finished. As you are listening to your music and performing your music and singing and saying and moving and playing your music, I would like you to think about what phrases sound like they're finished, what phrases sound like answer phrases, and what phrases sound like they are not finished, what phrases sound like questions. Have fun, guys.